Welcome! Today I am with Honor 10X Lite and we'll check if this smartphone comes with factory installed screen protection. So let's lock our screen and let's zoom in a little bit. Just like that. And as you can see, when you take a look on your display, here you can spot the film that comes from the edge to the edge. It covers whole screen. There's the cutout for the front camera and it's very thin foil, so it will protect from small scratches, but not for the breaks. So if you want to protect your smartphone in the better way, definitely try to put here the tempered glass. It will cover also the same spot on the display, so it will cover whole display and you will be protected from deepest scratches. And if you wonder, yes, this smartphone got the factory installed screen protection as thin foil. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.